Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the American Vogue Archive off campus. On the main library page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on Access e-Resources. From the list of e-resources available, just click on the Archives icon. Now on the Archives page, just click on the Vogue logo to be taken to the American Vogue Archive page. Now on the American Vogue Archive page, just click on the Vogue logo to access this e-resource. You'll now find yourself on the following page where you'll be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by the password, and then finally click the login button. You have now completed the process to access the American Vogue Archive off campus.